Hey guys, Chris from Flow Designs. Today we're going to talk a little bit about the M2 G87 and the mounting plate that is supplied from the dealership. So the problem, it's way too big. It's bigger than any number plate that's in Australia, except maybe Euro. The other problem is the mounting holes for these are way too far apart. So if you get supplied this and they drill there, it's irreversible. So the solution, replace this with our version. This is our plinth that we've designed. This replaces that, goes on the car. From there, choose your bracket to suit your plate and off you go. And you get a clean finish like this. Hope this helps.